Okay, hi guys. So I'm back. So now let's talk about arrays. What are arrays? I'm going to put this in the data types. All these are their topics. We're going to talk about them later. But now we're just looking at them as okay. What are they? What do they do? Just trying to look at them on a simple note, trying to like get an idea into them before we now go deep into them, working with them, doing some great stuff with them. Okay, array are special objects. They are used to store multiple values in an ordered list. They can hold various data types and they allow for dynamic resizing. That is, elements and elements can also be accessed via index. And in array, excuse me, the index starts from 0. So when we say arrays, they're just like it's just a value that holds a lot of data, not minding the data type. For instance, if I can say let colors equals to, then I can have something like green, I can have blue, I can have yellow. So this is an example of an array. This is an array, and this array, if for me to get, and the way array is numbered is from 0, 1, 2. So array start numbering from 0. We call it index. So for me to get a value, for me to get the value of blue, I'll say console.log. Then I'll say color. Then put the index, which is 1. The index of blue is 1. So if I come here, if I save this and I come here and say node arrays .js, you can see we have blue. So with that, I'll be able to get the color blue. Now I can add to this array, I can remove to this from this array, but for now we'll not be talking about that. We'll get to that later. We'll be discussing array as a whole topic later. The one we get there, we'll be able to talk about adding to array, moving from array, adding to the beginning, being able to like see everything in an array, list out everything in an array, and so on and so forth, do some calculations on array. But for now, we're just talking about array as data type. So we'll move on to other data types. Also, we'll move on to another topic later. So guys, so that will be all on data types, and our next topic will be talking about functions. What are functions? How are functions used in JavaScript? Then from there, we'll move on to some other interesting topics. Thank you very much. Bye.